All right, here's the next challenge. You have to come to Lyon Falls in Mohican State Forest and stand under the waterfall for at least 15 seconds. All right, Isaac, I think you're the first one to do it.
2, 1.
Video proof. All right, you've got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Yeah, buddy. The Lyon Falls Challenge. Good job, bud.
The Lyon Falls.
That's my rhubarb talking. Hey, Outdoor Office family. I hope y'all enjoyed that Lyon Falls Challenge. Obviously, we're back at camp now. Good and dry, but it's raining out here. Old Glory flying in the background right here. But if you're Mohican Forest, take you a mile walk up to Lyon Falls. Stand under the waterfall. Oh, it feels so good. But it is cold, 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 cold. But y'all be good. Hope y'all enjoyed that little short, fun little video I try to do with my boys. But this is Larry Johnson from the Outdoor Office. Like, share, subscribe. I do appreciate your support. Turn on that notification bell if you want to see more from us. But again, thank you for all your support. Next stop, 10,000. How long does it take? 180 days when the boys get out of school? I don't know. Let's see if we can get there. Y'all be good. And again, this is Larry Johnson from the Outdoor Office. Bye now. All right. Little brother's done it. All right. You going after it, Caleb? The Lyon Falls Challenge, 15 seconds.
You're going the wrong way.
Let's go. All right. The time.
I don't want to walk back.
The time starts once you get under it.
All the way under. 2, 1.
Perfect. At 45 seconds, it's over.
45. 15.
10 seconds left.
Nice. Keep going. You're doing great, Caleb.
5 seconds.
All right.
3, 2, 1, done.
Yeah. Oh. Here's your hat. Your turn.
Good job, buddy.
I think the challenge too will be.
Are you ready?
Yes.
15 seconds?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
You're ruining your keys and your key fob.